The first step is a ride to the nearest material recovery facility, also known as a MRF. A MRF can separate all the different material and send them to be processed into recycled products. Once the truck arrives, it unloads all the zero sort material. I love this place. It has a lot of moving parts like a roller coaster ride. Follow me and my buddies as we get sorted. We're moving up the conveyor belt to a pre-sort area where employees are removing items that can be caught up in the machinery. Did you know Americans use 4 million plastic bottles like me every hour? Now we're going to go through different machines that will separate plastic, metal, and glass from all the paper materials. Gravity helps the glass fall through the series of screens onto a conveyor belt that brings it into a glass crusher. Did you know the energy saved from recycling one glass bottle will light up a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours? My metal buddies are next to leave the conveyor belt. They pass under a magnet that pulls steel cans off the conveyor belt, and aluminum cans are repelled by a reverse magnetic field called an eddy current. Wow, that looks like fun! Recycling one of my aluminum buddies saves enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours. Now it's my turn. The plastic containers are separated using optical technology. The machine separates the clear plastic bottles from the other ones using an optical eye. The milk jugs will be pulled out by a sorter. Once the bin gets full, a skid steer loader pushes the material onto another conveyor belt, which then takes the material directly to the baler. The baler compresses the material into a solid block held together by wire straps. These bales can weigh anywhere from 700 to 1,500 pounds, depending on the material. Now that we're all separated, we're on our way to other facilities to be made into all sorts of items. Bye!
Recycled material like cardboard is made into items we use every day, and many plastics return to us in products like carpeting, clothing, outdoor furniture, and fencing. Recycling a single run of the Sunday New York Times would save 75,000 trees. The truth is, up to 60% of rubbish that could end up in the landfill is recyclable. Whether it's the clothes we wear or the newspaper we read every day, the fact is that recycling touches each and every one of us. It's true, the future of recycling is here today, and it's called Zero Sort Recycling. Won't you join us? Please stay tuned for a list of recyclables that are accepted in your area. Your Zero Sort program accepts the following items: cardboard items like cereal boxes, pasta boxes, shoe boxes, and juice boxes. Newspapers, junk mail, envelopes, catalogs, softcover books, telephone books, brown bags, magazines, and inserts. Plastic containers numbered 1 through 7, milk jugs, bleach, detergent, and shampoo bottles. Glass bottles and containers any color, aluminum, tin, and steel containers such as pie plates, trays, and foil. For more information, call 1-800-CASELLA.